What's up, dancers? Welcome back to the channel. I want to say thank you so much for following along. Today's subject is going to be a fun subject that comes up very often, and I think for most of you ladies can relate. We're going to talk about ladies' shoes today, specifically the heels. Now, when it comes to a heel of a lady's shoe, it sometimes can be very noisy on the dance floor, and other times it literally can wear down a little bit too fast. So you'll have a perfectly good dance shoe, and then the heel will be worn out dramatically. So today's subject is going to be about heel caps, and there it is. That's a heel cap. What is a heel cap? Well, it's a piece of plastic pretty much that goes right onto the heel and prevents not only the heel from wearing out prematurely, so you can extend the life of your shoe, but it also does help protect dance floors and also prevent that clanking sound that you might hear here and there. Now today we're going to be working on installing these heel caps to this shoe. If you notice, this particular heel cap won't just slip on there. It kind of looks like it's slightly not the right size, and if you try to muscle this thing in there, it's doable, but as you can see, it's a pain in the butt and it's a lot of effort. So I'm going to show you an easy, quick, easy method to be able to get this cap on this shoe in the shortest amount of time. And all you're going to need is the dance shoe, the heel cap, and of course a hair dryer. So I'm going to pop over to that video right now. I'm going to show you exactly what's going on, and I'll kind of talk you through it just so you have an idea of exactly how to upgrade your shoes with heel caps.
Alright everyone, I apologize, I had to do a little audio here, kind of sped up the video just to make it a little bit faster so you don't have to watch the whole process. Here I'm just kind of showing up the shoe, showing you that it's nothing different, it's a normal shoe, and there are the heel caps. Know that there's different style heel caps for different shoes. They all have different ends, but this is pretty much what they look like. And as you can see here, I'm just going to put the heel caps down. I might even hold them a little bit. And then I just take the heel cap and the shoe there, and I can just put it in there. Now I've seen some people try to muscle these in, and it's very hard to do. So just take your hair dryer, turn it on low with the heat set to the highest setting. You can also put it on a higher setting if you wish and make it a little bit faster, and just start heating it up. As you can see, the heel cap's moving as a result of the hair dryer. It does get a little warm on the fingers, but we're really only holding it there for anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute just to get it a little bit more pliable. That's really the only reason why we do this. If you see that, you can also try putting it down, or maybe you can hold it with something that's not directly your fingers, but sometimes I'll put it down on the table. And as you can see, it just slips right on. It makes it real nice and easy, and there it goes. Now, of course, since I heated plastic up, it will be easier to put on, and then of course as it cools down, it will fit snugly around that heel and it'll never come off. I mean, you can forcefully pull them apart, but they're not going to come off. Again, same exact thing, just showing you how hard it is to put it on without the heating of the plastic. And again, it's the same process. It takes literally maybe a minute or two at the most to do both shoes. I was just kind of keeping it at a low setting because I was in a ballroom and lessons were happening at the time, so I wanted to make sure that I wasn't too loud with the hair dryer. So there you can see, I'll squeeze it a couple times. I put it up against the shoe there to save my fingers a little time. And of course, as I'm progressing through here, I heat it up probably a little bit longer than I really needed to. And again, just to show you how easy it slips on, boop, there it is, done. So that's all I got for you guys to show you. All set and all done. It was easy.
It was that easy. We got the heel cap installed on the shoe. Everything is looking great for this shoe, and see if I can do some updates on how it looks and how it's working for my clients. First of all, I'd like to go ahead and thank my student who allowed me to do her shoe for her. So thank you, Marilyn. I really appreciate you letting me do that. And I appreciate you letting me use this video as a way to help others understand a little bit more about dancewear. So again, guys, thank you so much. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe down below. Hit the like button. Feel free to comment if you find a better way to do it, or any other kind of tips or tricks you might have. If you also need to know a little bit more about heel caps or just have any other general questions or ideas for videos, please write them down in the description below and I'll see what I can do. Thank you guys so much. Have a phenomenal day. Good night.